Turn the computer over and loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover. Using the flat end of a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the hinges or pry points and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the flea power. After draining the flea power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the M.2 2230 SSD. Remove the single screw that secures the 2230 SSD to the system board. Now, slide and lift the 2230 SSD away from the 2230 SSD slot on the system board. You have now successfully removed the 2230 SSD. Now, let's see how to install the M.2 2230 SSD. To begin, align the notches on the SSD card with the tabs on the SSD slot. Slide the 2230 SSD into the SSD slot. Now, replace the single screw to secure the 2230 SSD to the system board. You have now successfully installed the M.2 2230 SSD. Now, connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. Align and place the base cover. Gently press around the edges of the base cover until it clicks into place, and tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. You have now successfully installed the SSD. You can now connect all of your peripherals and turn on your computer.